So, kid, what's your name anyway?
My name is
Nano, N-A-N-O.
Burn that shit. Danos barca el gallón, el atún que quemo yo, fumando y dando vuelo. Ya doy vuelo en first class, mente viaja bien relax.
First day from being back from Mexico, and Ruby already giving us problems. So last night, got back last night and wanted to hit the gym. So I hit the gym, bro. My truck started bogging down as I'm accelerating, bro. And it even started bogging down in idle. But then I parked, hit the gym, and then after I left the gym, it stopped doing it. It stopped bogging down. It was, driving smoothly again. And I don't know, bro. There's a lot of things. My coolant is very dirty, so that's what today's mission is. I know it's like it was definitely bogging because like something was wrong with the fuel system, So I told my dad, let's check that out today. And I've been meaning to clean out my coolant, bro, because it's literally gunky. Got fucking nasty ass shit in it. So we're gonna go buy some coolant cleaner and some distilled water and some funnels, and yeah, we're gonna get this bitch clean today. Got the first thing on our list, some distilled water. Well, I forgot to record, but we got some of that 50-50 right here, Presta antifreeze. And then we got some of this flush plus cleaner. And then we got the water like I showed you guys. And we got me a brand new funnel. My dad right now is checking out my fuel system because he said there's I know for sure there's a leak in there. It was bogging down yesterday. But dirty ass engine bay, bro. We gonna get it clean, bro. This is last year I stopped treating her really bad, bro. She gonna be, I need to keep this engine healthy for real. Trying to clean this dirty piece of shit. And you can see it's fucking so gunky. Let me see if you guys can see inside. Let's see. If I can get this damn thing out the way. Yeah, it's pretty damn disgusting in there, man. Can't even clean it. Might just have to buy a new one of these. So I've seen somebody else doing this on YouTube to flush theirs out. So I'm also doing it. My dad said, it don't matter if I use regular water. Because some dude was saying you can only use distilled water, but for my dad saying for the flush, it doesn't matter because you still, How that bitch going? That bitch going. Going out, pouring out the other side. It's a little red spider, what the hell? Doing this. This flush out over here on this end. Oh shit. Damn, the water hose is getting stuck in there. Yeah. That's flushing it out really hard right there. All that fucking nastiness out. Oh shit, it spit out a lot. Dude, I need to chill out, man. Getting the water over here on my battery. And water everywhere, shit. We're draining it though. It's coming out. I think that would be good enough. So what I'm currently doing is filling it up back with water, and I'm gonna run it for a couple of seconds. My dad said I run it for like 30 seconds or so. Just let the clean water filter through it, and then so drain it again. And then we're gonna fill it up with this flush cleaner right here, and then drive it around for a couple of days before we continue with the flush. But the water keeps going down. I keep filling it up and it keeps going down, so still filling it up with more water. I'm excited right now because Walmart just called me in Sulphur Springs and told me they got the JBL speaker that I want. So I'm better go ahead and go pick that up as well because it's going to be the new jamming system for this truck. Yes, I'm going to use a Bluetooth speaker because I'm too lazy to take out my back seats and all the plastic paneling. But I just poured this stuff in there, and now I'm going to fill it up with water and probably let it run for a couple minutes before I leave, and then let it sit here because we're gonna be taking my mom's whip to Sulphur. But this was the second drain right here with just water, and it got rid of a lot of little gunk and stuff. So, you know what I'm saying? Got some samples going on because I saw Chris Fix do this on YouTube. So I'm stealing his thumbnail idea. I really don't remember when I started this video. It was earlier this week, but we're gonna be doing the last coolant flush. I've been riding around the last 3 days with this stuff, the shit you seen last, with this stuff inside of it, this flush plus cleaner. Still got my 2 samples, and this dude, as I've been sitting here, they've been getting way more disgusting. My shit had tons of disgusting debris inside of it. That's the second flush, so we're gonna do the third and final flush right now. I just moved it from here to here, so last time I swear I did that, the water got so hot. Put it right there and let this shit out. If you guys don't know, the plug is that little white thing right there that you see. You're really focusing. That's all you got to do is unscrew that little white thing. So I'll do that. Reach your arm down in there. Hopefully this shit don't come out extremely fucking hot. Last time it was a little bit hot, but not too much, just like shower water. Come on. There we go. It's not hot. You open up this thing. Shit. Oh, I was going the wrong way. I don't even know how much water it had in there. But let's collect our sample. Where's my water? Oh, it's in my pocket. Get our little sample right here. Got the sample. And it's looking disgusting. I really don't remember what color this stuff was, so I don't know if it's orange due to this or just because it cleaned it so damn well, but lots of debris under there. Little trick I just learned. You want to speed up the process? Blow in this motherfucker. Huh?
Oh, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
We're gonna start filling this baby bad boy up. We got some of this 50-50 mix right here, the yellow shit. Then we got 2 gallons of distilled water. I think I'm gonna need more than that though, because bruh, this bitch holds some water, so. Let's see. Let's get the pouring. I got that bubbly. I got that bubbly. I got that bubbly. Bro, this shit looks cool. I want to drink it. There was one bottle. One bottle done. Get her done. I'll put these gallons in. Back to back. Oh, that's like food. Oh, that's sweet motherfucker. Keep filling it right now. I don't know. Gonna be it for today, boys. Let me pull out this nasty bucket of water, a sludge. Look how nasty that shit is. Can you guys see? I don't know, the light is kind of weird. Let me see. There we go. Yeah, that's some nasty sludge right there. Appreciate everybody who stopped by and watched the video, man. If you like this type of content, you already know what to do, man. Subscribe, drop a like, and drop a comment. I'd really appreciate all of that. It's been your boy Nano. I'll be back with some more shit. Wow.
Life moving fast, that's why I sip slow. Used to wake up every morning, jamming Big Mo. That's when I was a little nigga, couldn't wait till I got a little bigger. Had a rap flow and shirt on, cause favorite song said fuck Hill Figure. You know how that go, I let them know.